Hello people, this is Tiger Official HD. I'm back with another video about Injustice. Someone asked me to do a video for a female character for that she has to be in the game. This video is for Captain Justice 33. I want to talk about Black Canary. Yeah, Black Canary, she's a female character, she's a hero, and why she deserves to be in the game, that's because Black Canary, she's a very one of the important characters in the series, like Justice League Unlimited. She appeared in a lot of series episodes, and what I like about her, I don't know a lot about this character, but I know she's a professional of martial arts. Sorry, and she got a power. She can scream like a supersonic. She can like, oh my god, explode your head or your ears with her scream. And she is Green Arrow's wife or girlfriend, I don't know, or fiance. But she deserves to be in the game for real, because like NetherRealm, they put Killer Frost, and Killer Frost, she's not a fighting character. If you see her in the series in Justice League Limited, you see she can't fight. She just throwing ice. That's it. So you have to put Black Canary. Delete fucking Scorpion and Sub-Zero and put Black Canary in the first DLC. In the first DLC pack. In the second, you can put Huntress or Captain Atom or Black Lightning or Batwoman. Or I don't know, or Firestorm, or Static Shock. They have a lot of characters in the DC universe. Why do you have to put Scorpion and Sub-Zero and maybe later Liu Kang or Johnny Cage or all the fucking Mortal Kombat characters? What the fuck? It's going to be DC versus Mortal Kombat? Nah, man. It's really whack, for real. So, Black Canary has to be in the game, for real. Black Canary, yes, I'm for her. So, for the Black Canary fans, you have to be happy for me to do a video for her, just for her. And this is it, man. Just a question, because I'm going to be getting some figures review. And what do you want to see first in my first video review? Okay, I'm going to show you. You want me to review first Charizard, the arts from Pokemon, from Bandai, or from Mega House Gourmet Box 01 Toriko, or Play Art Sky Kratos of the, from God of War 3, or the arts King of Fighters 94 Terry Bogard, or the Signature Collection Atrocities from Red Lanterns, from Signature Collection from DC Universe Classics. So tell me in the comment what do you want to see first in review, and I will review it Monday. So this is it. This video is for Captain Justice 33. Black Canary has to be in the game. Yeah. So stay tuned. Oh, bye bye.